students, today we will be solve some exponent related math problems, chapter 4.1. Number 1, 7 cube into 7 inverse 3 divided by 3 into 3 inverse 4. At first, numerator side we will be apply index law of multiplication. Here apply this law, a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. If similar base connected with multiply, then their power will be added. Here similar base 7. Now their power will be added 3 plus minus 3. In the denominator side, here we will be apply index law of multiplication. Here similar base 3. So their power will be added. Equal 7, 3 plus minus multiply equal minus 3, 1 plus minus multiply minus 4. Subtracted value of 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then subtracted value of 1 minus 4 equal minus 3. In the numerator side, we apply this formula, a power 0 equal 1. So 7 power 0, that means 1. 3 inverse 3 modify as 1 by 3 cube equal 1 by cubic value of 3 is 27 equal 1 divided by 1 by 27 equal 1 multiply 27 by 1 equal 27. Number 2, cube root of 7 square into cube root of 7 divided by root over 7. 7 square, value of cube root equal 1 by 3 into 7, value of cube root equal 1 by 3. Value of root is 1 by 2. Seven. Here power will be multiply. Then 2 into 1 by 3 equal 2 by 3 into 7 power 1 by 3 by 7 power half. Here we will be apply index law of multiplication. That means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. Similar base is 7. So their power will be added 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 7 power half. Seven power. Here LCM value is 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 1 multiply 2 equal 2 plus 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 1 multiply 1 equal 1 by 7 power half. 7 power. Here added value is 3 by 3 by 7 power half. 7 power 3 divided by 3 equal 1 by 7 power half. Now we will be apply index law of division. That means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base 7, so their power will be subtracted 1 minus half equal 7 power. Here LCM value is 2, so 2 multiply 1 equal 2 minus 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 1 multiply 1 equal 1 equal 7 power. Here subtracted value is 1 by 2. So 7 power half can be write as root over 7. Number 3, 2 inverse 1 plus 5 inverse 1, then whole inverse 1. Here 2 inverse 1 write as 1 by 2 plus 5 inverse 1 write as 1 by 5 whole inverse 1. Here we will be apply addition rules. LCM value of 2 and 5 is 10. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 5 multiply 1 equal 5 plus 10 divided by 5 equal 2. 2 multiply 1 equal 2 whole inverse 1. Added value of 5 and 2 equal 7 divided by 10 whole inverse 1. So 10 by 7 whole inverse 1 write as 1 by 7 divided 10 equal 1 divided by 7 by 10 equal 1 multiply 10 by 7. So 1 multiply 10 by 7 equal 10 by 7. Number 4, 2 into a inverse 1 plus 3 into b inverse 1, then whole inverse 1. 2 into a inverse 1 write as 1 by a plus 3 into b inverse 1 write as 1 by b, then whole inverse 1. 2 multiply with 1 by a equal 2 by a plus 3 multiply with 1 by b equal 3 by b, then whole inverse 1. Here we will be apply addition rules. LCM value of a and b equal ab. ab divided by a equal b. b multiply with 2 equal 2b plus ab divided by b equal a. a multiply with 3 equal 3a, then whole inverse 1. 2b plus 3a write as 3a plus 2b divided by ab, then whole inverse 1. 3a plus 2b by ab whole inverse 1 write as 1 by 3a plus 2b divided by ab, 1 divided by 3a plus 2b by ab equal 1 multiply ab by 3a plus 2b. So multiplying value is ab by 3a plus 2b.